Hello, this is Allison, and welcome to my channel, Redesign, Build, and Live Your Ultimate Life with me, Allison. The channel is all about my journey to redesigning and building my ultimate life. And so on my channel, I will be just sharing just some of the things that I'm doing to redesign and build my ultimate health and wellness life. I recently transitioned from eating um, poultry and fish to a plant-based diet. So I've been experimenting with a lot of different plant-based meals. It's been about a year, a little bit over a year since I transitioned to a plant-based diet. And since that time, I lost about 15 pounds. Um, my cholesterol level, blood pressure, everything is absolutely perfect for um, a woman of my age. I am 50 something years old and I want to live forever, but live a quality life. So I've been on the internet and just been searching for a lot of different meals. I've taken a lot of different classes on just plant-based, a plant-based uh, lifestyle. So I discovered a recipe. I love hot dogs, but now that I am plant-based, I can no longer eat hot dogs. So I went on a search for um, finding a whole food substitute or replacement, I guess I should say, for hot dogs. And I stumbled upon Tabitha's Brown YouTube channel, and on her channel, she has this awesome recipe on how to make um, carrot dogs. And I know that sounds a little strange, but I did the recipe before, and they actually taste really, really good. So I thought that I would do the recipe again, and this time share it with you guys. Today is July the 3rd, 2020. So if you celebrate the 4th of July and you like hot dogs, why not consider um, trying out this recipe? So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you all of my ingredients. So I am using some carrots. These are organic carrots that I picked up at my local grocery store at Kroger's. So I'll be using carrots. Of course, we can't forget our hot dog buns. These are also whole wheat organic hot dog buns that I will be using. The other ingredients is liquid organic liquid amino. So if you can see it right here. It also calls for some steak sauce. I know that's a little odd for a plant-based meal, but there's no animal products here. Organic ketchup. Hope you can see it right there. Uh, and in her video, she used some other sweetener, but I have maple syrup here. So I'm going to walk you guys through how to make your carrot dogs. So first, of course, you're going to start out with a carrot. And so this carrot has already been cleaned. You're going to just remove the excess skin off of the carrot. So I'm going to cut the ends off first. See? So I'm just going to cut the ends off. And this I'm just going to clean the skin off. So, the carrot is nice and clean. The skin is off. And I'm going to just wash it again. So the next thing you want to do is to line your carrot up and make sure you cut the excess off. You don't want the carrot hanging outside of the bun. So I'm just going to cut this part off. And so now this is perfect. This will fit perfectly inside of the bun. And prior to starting, I already had some that was already ready, so I'm just going to add this in here. So here are my carrots. Move some of this out the way. So the recipe called for 2 cups of water. So I have some distilled water here. So 1, 2. Then it calls for 1 cup of the liquid amino. So put in 1 cup. And 2 cups of ketchup. So this is new, so I need to open it. 1 second. So 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of, I think she had A1, but I picked this up instead. So 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2. And I forgot, it did call for some liquid smoke. So give me 1 second. Yes, liquid smoke. So I have to put 2 tablespoons of smoke. And then finally, I am going to add the maple syrup. So 2 tablespoons of that. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just stir it up, and I have to put this and let it cook for about 10 minutes with the without the lid on. So I am going to put it on the oven and let it cook uncovered for about 10 minutes. So I just turned the oven on, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes, and I will be back with the finished product. Actually, what I'll do is while it's cooking, I will take another video while it's cooking. After it cooks for about 10 minutes, you then have to put the lid on and allow it to cook again. I mean, allow it to continue cooking for another 10 minutes with the lid on. So, anyhow, I will be back. I just put the hot dogs on the stove right here. Well, the carrot dogs, I'm sorry. And I'm going to allow it to cook for about 10 minutes with the lid off. I'll put the lid on and allow it to cook with the lid on for about 10 minutes, and then then let it simmer for 3 minutes. So I'll be back shortly. As you can see, the carrot dogs are ready. The steam is coming from it, and I tell you, the house is smelling absolutely amazing. It smells like I've been boiling hot dogs. So what I'm going to do next is just cover them and allow the excess fluid to drain from them, and then we will give them a try. Okay, I'm back. So my carrot dolls are ready, and I am about to make a carrot dog. So 1 second. Here's the dog. I'm putting it on the bun here. It's hot. And I made some coleslaw. So I'm gonna put this on here. And I have some onions. I'll put these onions on here. And I like mustard. So put a little mustard. If I can get it open. Ooh. But let me give it a try. Ooh, I got mustard all over the place. My husband's looking at me. You want some carrot dog? Yeah. This is good. It tastes just like a hot dog. You want to taste? Yeah. You can come take a bite.
Hey, Tammy, this is good before I even eat it.
Oh, lips.
It's good.
Well, that's it for my carrot dogs. I will post the recipe in the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Again, thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to Redesign, Build, and Live Your Fabulous Life, Your Ultimate Life with Allison's YouTube channel. Bye.